Welcome back to Crash Course. I'm Cash Volatility, and today, we're diving deep into the only thing falling faster than tech stocks. Public confidence. The market's had a week. The Dow's down, the Nasdaq's gasping, and the S&P 500 is reportedly just tired. Let's run the numbers. The Dow dropped 1,400 points. That's Wall Street for oops, but in slow motion. The S&P dropped below 6,000, triggering alarms at every overpriced startup coffee machine. The Nasdaq lost 5%, mostly because someone at Apple said AI fatigue out loud. Investors are calling it a market correction, which is what rich people say when they set your house on fire and offer you a scented candle. Why the sudden plunge? Let's look at the usual suspects. Inflation? Still here, still spicy. Interest rates? Going up like rent in San Francisco. Federal Reserve? Doing its best impression of a sleep-deprived lifeguard at a tsunami. Meanwhile, tech stocks are free-falling. One unicorn CEO just rebranded their layoffs as spontaneous decentralization. Let's check in on different market personas. Hedge fund managers are currently on a yacht named Correction, still shorting your hope. Retail investors are glued to Reddit, blaming astrology, loading Robinhood, and panic-buying emotional support ferrets. And crypto bros are still screaming, "This is the future," while refreshing charts that resemble ski slopes. Wall Street analysts say this is a normal part of the cycle. That's analyst speak for, "We have no idea, but if we sound confident, you might still pay us." The White House says, "The fundamentals are strong," which is code for "please stop selling." Meanwhile, Treasury officials were spotted whispering to the bond market, gently rocking it like a scared cat. Here's my professional crash course strategy, TM. Do diversify. Don't listen to your cousin who bought GameStop at the top. Do check your portfolio. Don't do that more than once a week unless you enjoy mild cardiac events. And remember, if it dips, we take a shot. This isn't the first crash, won't be the last. But in the words of a trader I once met during a tequila margin call, it's only a loss if you admit it. So hang tight, hold your breath, and for the love of capitalism, stop checking futures before breakfast. I'm Cash Volatility, and this has been your crash course, where we explain the market like it's about to explode, because it is.